Hello and welcome to a new GPT guitar video tutorial. In this tutorial we will learn how to play the Dorian mode. Follow me in this tutorial and I will give you a formula that will allow you to play this mode quickly and easily. All the information that we will be working here in this video is going to be for free to download on a PDF. The link below in the video description. So before we start with the formula and the elements, starting the elements that we are going to use, let's going to set up a chord to work on. So let's do with a minor 7 as a Dorian. Dorian mode comes from the second grade of the Ionian major scale. Ionian mode major scale is different name for the same scale. A minor, we know that A minor is the second grade of the G major scale. This chord from now on will be the first grade. Now I know to play this mode and practice this mode I have to use the G major scale, but I have to start from the second note. So now it's going to be very important to know the 7 fingerings of the major scale. If you don't know the 7 fingerings of the major scale, you can go and click on the video that is in this channel about major scales and you will have all the 7 fingerings of the major scale. But now let's take a look to this example. Okay, what we have here is the G major Ionian scale, the 7 fingerings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we are going to focus on the second one because this is the Dorian mode sound. Okay, so the only thing that to transform this scale, major scale, in a Dorian scale is just move this. It's going to be, this one is going to be the last one, and now move all these shapes here, and now what we have is not a G major scale, what we have is a minor Dorian scale, and that's it. This is it's the same scale, but now the second one becomes the first one, okay, and the first one becomes the second one. The second thing that we need to know is that there's only one note that is going to provide us the unique sound of the Dorian mode, which is the characteristic note. If we do not emphasize this note, the Dorian mode will not appear, will not sound. The characteristic note of a minor Dorian scale or a Dorian scale is going to be the major 6. Here, as you can see, this is the key of G major, this is a minor Dorian scale, and this is the characteristic note. How we are going to compare this? We can compare with the A minor natural scale. As you can see, those notes are the same. The only difference that we have is here on the 6th. Here is a minor 6 and here is a major 6. So if we do not emphasize this note, the minor Dorian sound will not appear. You can check it out here too on the diagrams, okay, on the fingerings, that this note here is the F sharp and here is the F natural and here the F natural. Well, first element of this formula is going to be to play over our A minor chord, a pentatonic minor scale, a whole tone up from the root. A whole tone on the guitar is 2 frets. So if this is my root, my A minor 7 chord, what I'm going to play is a B minor pentatonic over the A minor chord, which is going to give me all the available tensions to play over this chord, and especially the characteristic note. The second element that we are going to use to improvise and to make the Dorian mode sound is going to be a major 7 arpeggio. We are going to play a major 7 arpeggio, a whole tone back from the root. A whole tone on the guitar is again 2 frets down from the root. In A minor chord, what I'm going to play is a G major 7 arpeggio. And the third element that allows us to complete all the notes from the Dorian scale without playing any of these 7 fingering patterns or diagrams on the guitar is going to be a pentatonic, a minor blues pentatonic that is going to be a perfect 5th up from the root. So if I mean a perfect 5th is going to be A, B, C, D, E. We are going to play E minor blues pentatonic. Okay, with these 3 elements, we are done. Okay, we have enough shapes, fingerings, and notes to play and to make the Dorian mode sound and appear. You can apply this simple math formula to another chord to play another Dorian mode over other chords. It's easy. You just repeat the formula. A whole step up, a whole tone back, and then a perfect 5th for the minor blues pentatonic. And the last element that we are going to use is because we are on a playing over a minor chord, so we have available the minor pentatonic from the root. So I can play the minor pentatonic, but I'm from A minor. I'm sorry, but it's not going to be my first choice, you know, because it will probably make the Dorian sound vanish a little bit. So every time that I want to play and make the Dorian mode appear, sound, whatever, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to start thinking, okay, I have to start with a minor pentatonic, a whole tone up or 2 frets from the root. And then I can blend it with the minor pentatonic from the root, but try not to, it's going to be like passing notes. I'm not going to try to stay and highlight the scale. Well, thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget like, subscribe, etc. And leave me a comment. I would like to read you. If you have something to say, something to ask, or any doubt that you can have, please let me know. Use the comment box, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks so much. Bye.